What's up YouTube, it's Desmond. Today we're gonna build the Swat Kats. Are you ready to get radical? Let's go, come on. Well guys, that was me building Swat Kats. Do you like my new lighting setup? Did you like the paper craft? If you did, go ahead to my Instagram page. You'll find a whole lot of other paper crafts that I've made. I sell some of them. You could go check it out, but I only deliver in India. What did you think of this video? Did you enjoy it? If you did, please do hit the thumbs up button. If you enjoyed this kind of content, do hit that subscribe. If you have any ideas for different kind of paper craft, do drop it down in the comments box. I will take a look at it and get to designing some new paper craft. Well, until next time, this is Desmond. Talk to you later.
Peace.